In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new line in a cell in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to type a second paragraph in a cell and noticed that pressing enter just jumps you down to the next row, you're not alone. By default, enter moves the selection, which is great for data entry, but not so helpful when you want tidy, multi-line notes in a single cell. The good news is there's a simple way to insert a line break right where you want it. Here's the trick. While your cursor is inside the cell's text, hold down the Alt key and press Enter. That tells Google Sheets to add a line break inside the same cell instead of moving you down. On a Mac, use Command plus Enter. You can do this as many times as you like within the same cell, which is perfect for creating lists, separating ideas, or formatting addresses. If it doesn't seem to work, make sure you see the blinking cursor inside the cell's text area, not just a blue outline around the cell. Once the line break is in place, you can use the arrow keys to navigate within the text and add or remove breaks exactly where you need them. Now, if you don't want to manually insert breaks every time, let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting with text wrap. First, highlight the cell or range you want to format. Then, find the text wrapping control in the toolbar, the button that manages overflow, wrap, and clip. Click it and choose Wrap. When Wrap is turned on, Sheets will automatically flow your text onto new lines to fit the current column width, keeping everything visible inside the cell without spilling over. A quick note on how these two approaches differ. Manual line breaks give you precise control over where each new line starts, and those breaks stay in place even if you resize the column. Wrapped text, on the other hand, adjusts dynamically. If you narrow or widen the column, the line breaks will shift to keep the text readable within the cell. That's great for layouts that might change, like dashboards or shared sheets. One final tip. If you plan to copy the content elsewhere, manual line breaks carry over as true line breaks. Wrapped text is mostly a visual formatting choice inside Sheets. That's it. Use Alt plus Enter or Command plus Enter on a Mac when you want exact line breaks, and turn on Wrap when you want Sheets to handle it for you automatically.